about the DFA. What is a DFA? When we gives instruction to machine and machine gives replies us exact output, this process called the DFA. So now let's check it the examples for better understanding. DFA is defined by 5 tuples. M indicates to machine equals to Q. Q is a set of states. Sigma is input alphabets. Del is transition functions. Q0 initial states, and F is a set of final states. So del transition functions, we will find out the transition functions. Q into sigma equals to Q. Q is a set of states and sigma is input alphabet that we will use it, and Q is our result. Now, so check it the example. DFA example string ending with 100. This is our questions. According to our questions, 100, we will make the machine's tuples. According to our DFA definitions, machine equals to Q sigma del Q0F. So Q is states. According to our questions, we will create the states. 4 states: Q0, Q1, Q2, Q3. Q is initial state. Q1 is string ending with 1. Q2 is string ending with 10. Q3 is strings ending with 100. Here's Q. Our states are finished. Then now the sigma value is 0 and 1, and transition functions, transition tables we will find out. Then Q0 is initial state Q0, and F is the final state Q3. Here you can see the Q3 is the final state and Q0 is the initial state. Let's check it, the creating the table of transition table. This is the most important tricks. You should know the tricks how to creating the transition table. Here the sigma's value 0, 1, and our states 0, 1, Q0, Q1, Q2, Q3, and here's epsilon sign. Then here we will write the 1, 1, 0 and 100. So how we will make the transition table? It's very easy, just check it. We will compare epsilon value, then 0, then epsilon 1, then 1, 0, 1, 1, then 1, 0, 0, then 1, 0, 1, then 100, 0, then 100, 1. How it's work? Just check it. Started. Here we will write epsilon 0. Okay, and check it. Here is epsilon any 0. No any pair of epsilon 0, so we will cut the epsilon. Then we will try to find out, check, search 0. Here any 0, no any 0, so we will cut it. And we didn't find this, epsilon 0, so we will put here the Q0 initial state. Okay, next we will compare epsilon 1. Here's epsilon 1, so we will search it. And here's epsilon 1, no, so we will cut the epsilon value. Then here's remaining is 1, so we will find it. We search it and find it 1's correspondence Q1, so we will put here's Q1. So here's we can write here's Q1. So now to 1, 0, we will search it 1, 0. Where's the 1, 0? Yes, 1, 0 is Q2, so we will write here is Q2. So another one is 1, 1, 1, 1. So we will search it. Where's 1, 1? No any values there, so we will cut the ones and try to searching the 1. Where's 1? This Q1, so we will put here the Q1. Now next steps 1, 0, 0. Okay, here we will type 1, 0, 0 and try to searching here. So 1, 0, 0. Yeah, we will get we got it. It's Q3, so we will put here is Q3. And so another one is 1, 0, 1. Here's any 1, 0, 1. No any 1, 0, 1. That's why we will cut the 1. And now we will try to 0 1. 0 1 is nothing, so we will cut here, and now we will search is 1. Where is 1? It's q1, so we will put here the q1. And the last one is 100 0. We will put here, and we will try to search. Here's 10 1000. We will try it and search it. Okay, let's check it. 100 and zeros. Here we will find out 1000. So no any values here find out, so we will cut the 1. Then we will try to search 0, and here's no any 0, that's why we cut. And this type of process we will repeating, and 000 we didn't get, that's why we will cut the all things, and we will put here the kill 0. And so another ones we will compare 1001. 1001, so we will try it. Here's 1001, no any value we find, so we will cut here, so we will find 0, no any 0 find. 0 is not find, so the last one is 1, so we will try is 1 is q1, so finally we will put here is q1. So we completing the transition table, and it's now time to make a transition diagram. So we already completed 60% of this question, so now the 40% remaining is very easy. So according to our according to our transition tables, we will create the transition diagram. Okay, so here's our all states q0 q1 q2 q3, q0 q1 q2 q3, and so now we will compare it q0 to q0 value of 0. So we will put here input our 0, then q0 to q1 1 values, q0 to q1 1 we will put here as input. And so now q1 to q2 0, q1 to q2 0, it's okay. Then q1 to q1 to q1's inputs is 1, that's why we will put here. And then now q2 to q3 0, q2 to q3 0, it's okay. Then the q2 to q1 is value inputs 1, okay. Then q2 to q1 1, it's okay. And q3 to q0 value 0. Then q3 to q1 0. So finally we understand finally you understand how you can create the transition table and transition diagram, and it will be good for you if you will try to practice at your homes. It will be good for you. Hope you learn much, and next video will come, and I will try to describe another examples related to theory of computations. Thank you very much for watching this video. Once again we will meet